Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how actually you can create impressive slides for your presentation by using this Google Slides. So this is actually a beginner friendly tutorial. So if you don't know anything about Google Slides, so I'm going to explain about all of the tools that actually available in Google Slides. So first you have to go to the Google Slides, or you can go to your Google Chrome browser and you can simply click on this 9 dot button here and simply click on Slides here. So here you can see I'm on Google Slides. So here there is different types of template that actually you can use. So you can use this like your big idea. So if you want to present any idea to your team or any audience, then you can go with that, like photo album, like wedding, portfolio, lookbook. So for if you want to present anything, so you can go with this yearbook here. So also the consulting proposal, if it's any official presentation, so you can go with this one if you are about to launching any project or you are planning something, and this actually your status report about a project that you have completed or is on processing, so you can go with that. Now here is the professional profile about anything that about your teammate. You can go with your team, you can introduce any teammate from here. Then here is project wireframes, where you can actually use it for planning a project. There is different type of template that you can actually use. So I'm going to use this project wireframes. So here you can see the project wireframes, where you can actually get, when you get a template, then you can find this type of interface. Also otherwise, if you want to create a slides from scratch, then you can go with this blank presentation here. So you can find a blank list from here, and you can go with, also it will suggest you some template that you can actually use, and it's pretty much cool here. So you can find different types of template that you can use. So from here for example, I'm going to create product launching, or we are going to add a background here. So we are going to simply click on background. Now we are going to add a background from here. But before that, we are going to discuss about all of the tools from here. So from here you can find the file, so where you can open the new file from here. You can open an existing file, or you can import a slide if you want. So you can rename the slides and you can download it, and here is the share buttons, where you can share with your partners or any other peoples that can actually get access to use this slide. Then you can make it available offline. If you want to use it without internet, then you can select the language, where you can change the language from here. Now here is the edit section, where you can edit it's undo and redo button and cut, copy, paste. I hope all of you know about that. Now here is the view section, where you can actually create it at slideshow or create the motion, and you can find the theme builder, where you can build a theme by yourself, where it's guides, where you can show the guides here. So this is the guides, actually it's showing the guides here. Now live pointers, snap to, and you can insert images and some text box, some shape if you want. So there's lots of shape you can find. So here's arrow, you can use any of them from here. Then building blocks, you can add some blocks, extra block here. Now you can add diagrams like grid diagrams, or grid and hierarchy, and then timeline, process, relationship, cycles, and view. You can simply click on to view all diagrams. Now here you can add some tables, so you can go with these tables like this. You can select the column and row from here. So I'm not going to add the table right now. So here is a chart, where you can include some chart like bar chart, column, line, and pie chart here. Now here's the line, where you can actually create a straight line, a straight arrow, like elbow connector, curved connector, or a curve, total curve, and polyline, scribble, and word art. Also you can add some fancy words from here. Also you can integrate some video by simply click on this video, and you can also add some audio if you want. So you can simply add the audio by this. Now that's pretty much all thing from here. You can, here's the slide, where you can simply get a new slide. You can duplicate this slide, you can find templates, you can delete this slide, a specific slide if you want. So you can also change the background from here. So from here I'm going to select this background here. So here is all the chart tool that actually I have just explained you. So this arrow, so it's selective arrow. Here's text box, where you can add some text, shape, and the line here. So I'm going to change the background. So here is background. So it is asking for you can actually choose an image from here. So you can upload it from your file manager. So for example, I want to launch a product here, so this product here, so I'm going to add this image here. So done, and here it is. So it is actually converted. It's actually saved like this. It has just increased here, so just like this. But you can change the background image here, you can change the text, you can add some text, that just like this: project launch campaign. Sorry for that, launch campaign. So here it is. So you can add something like airsoft guns. So you can also add some more fancy thing here. You can add the product image here, you can add anything. So I'm going to add an image from here. So you can insert, you can go to the insert, and here's image. So upload from computer. So we are going to upload the image here. So there is the image that we are going to upload. So here it is. So you can paste it anywhere. You can set it just the side here. So here is the project image. So that's how you can actually do it. And also you can go with the template here. So you can replace that image by simply click on that, and if you select the image where you can actually edit the image, you can draw the line here, you can set the line spacing, and here you can select the dot here. You can also attach any link with that image. So, and you can crop that image if you want. So also you can rotate your image here, you can replace your image with another image that you can upload from your computer, or you can use your camera. And also the format option where you can set the size and rotation, the position, recolor, adjustment, drop shadows, or reflection. So just like this, it will give you shadow just like this, and it's pretty cool actually. Now here is the animate where you can select the and that's animation for this image here. So like play, if I play it, so it will just actually look like this. So here, so you can also create some animations in your projects here. So that's how you can also find some transition if you want. If you add more, you can simply add, if you have added more here, and I'll show you plus. So here you can see, you simply click on plus to create another slide. So if you have any multiple slides from in your Google Slides, then you can select the transition between those slides here. So you can simply click on dissolve, fade, slides from right or slide from left, flip, cube, or gallery. So I'm going to get a slide from right. So you can see the play just like this, it will just slide right. So that's all the animation, but we are going to use a template from here. For example, this template, sorry, not that actually. So here is the template that we are going to work with. So this is the template. So from here you can actually give all of this, and if you scroll your mouse bar here or in this section, it will change one by one. So from here you can change the text from here. You can select it like project launch campaign. So just like this, you can add that here, and the text here, so you can make it larger. So just like this, you can set the text size and color, you can change the background color here, you can add some line, you can change the text, then you can find the font style from here, you can choose the size of the font, and you can also make the text bold here and italic, and you can use underline. Or here is the alignment where you can align your text from here. You can add the bulleted list and the number list from here. And here you can add some animations. So I'm going to add the animation like this for this text here, like appear, like fade in. Then for this image here, so we are going to add this add animation. So like, let's see, play. So if I click on it, it will just animate like this. So you have to click on it. So for that, we are going to add animation. So object animation is here, so add animation here. So appear, like also fade in, on click, or after previous, or with previous, after previous actually. So I will play it just like this, or after previous, not previous, on click. And also this one also in fade in. So I'm going to click on appear, fade in actually. So play. just like this. You can simply click on it and it will fade in after one by one if you want. So you can go with after a previous, so it will appear after the previous. So you can also go with this after fade in and after previous. And also I'm going to set it, so first one, this one, the background image, so animation here appear like fade in, and the context here, animation here appear the fade in, one click note unclick, we are going to after previous, and the second one is after previous. Now play, let's play it. So one click and it will actually automatically appear one by one. After that that's more like it actually. So you can select that image here, so let me show you. You can select all of this here and you can actually make them locked on for click on it, and you can create it group, and you can make whole thing here just like this. Let me show you. So here is the group here, so we are going to make the animation for this animate, and here is appear fade in after one click, not after previous. Now let's see if it appear with together. So here you can see it has just appeared together. So that's how you can create an impressive slide that you can make a presentation, and you can present it all of them together with in your meeting or any project preview. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.